Hi, and welcome to another segment of 5-Minute Tips with Karen with Ever Skincare. Today we're going to talk about all of the lip products that Ever has to offer. So I'm going to start with the lip tints, the smooth lip tints, because these are so great to layer. So I want to show you how you could actually layer with these, because I wear these by themselves all the time. Right now we have the soft strawberry and the dragon fruit, so kind of a pink shade. Don't let these shades, if you think, oh, that's too orange or that's too pink, don't let those kind of steer you away or scare you away, because they are much more saturated in the tube than they are on. I wear them all the time. They have just that right amount of moisture. They are perfect for summer or all year round. And we also have the smooth, the regular smooth, which just recently got put into tube form. And we can't quite keep it in stock. It sells out as quickly as it comes in, but it will be back again in September. And this is just a great moisturizing lip balm that is also nice to put underneath any other lip products, especially the Longwear lip color. The next product that I'm going to show you is the Flash Lip Gloss, and I won't go into all the shades. You can check out the website for those, but there's definitely lighter shades and then ones that have a little bit more color. And these are just with our lip gloss. You will need to reapply. They are not a Longwear product. They have a little bit of a mint, and so that is will do some little bit of plumping, but you will definitely feel that mint. It feels great, but it's just a lip gloss. If you have another lip product that you like and you just like to top it off with a gloss, this would be good for that. So they're alone or to layer, and you will need to reapply. So these are called Flash Lip Gloss. And the next one is the Forever Longwear, and the Forever Longwear is actually a matte. So if you don't necessarily, some people really like that matte feel, others don't. I am one who doesn't like matte, so that's why I put the smooth stick on underneath. Now you might say, what about putting on the Forever and then topping it off with a lip gloss? They told us right away that that would affect the staying power. You may like that feel, and I understand that too, but I would highly recommend for the staying power is to start with the smooth underneath and then go into the Forever. The nice thing about this is that there's, again, several different shades, some lighter, some darker, but you can really get what you want with it from it. So if you just really want a little bit of color, put just on the lower lip and rub your lips together. You don't have to do the full lip. And I think that's something a lot of people forget, and especially if they feel like it gets too much, gets too dark. Just use a little bit of product, just a touch. Another thing I highly recommend when you are doing that, you just want a little bit of it on the bottom, is you can get these at drugstores or at Amazon, and they're just a really nice way to smooth it on. The last tip I want to show you is one I shared recently in a Facebook Live, is to use the palette, the color in the palette for your lips. And again, to make this really work well, you would need to start with the smooth, either the clear, or if you have one of the tints, start with that. That needs to be your base. And then just take a little bit of the blush color and rub that on your lips. You can even use the darker eyeshadow, which is a purple, which is going to really help it become a deeper red. Again, only a touch. You only need a touch of that to it, because it is a highly pigmented product for eyes as well. So you just want a little bit for your lips. If you feel like you get too much with the eyeshadow or in the blush, then go ahead and you top it off, and there's, you know, play with it. Have fun doing some different combinations. You could always put a gloss over it. So hopefully that gives you some great ideas. Go check out the website and look at all the different shades and find ones that would work for you. Again, there's 3 different products and the palette. So we have smooth lip tints, we have Flash lip gloss, and we have Forever, which is the Longwear. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and let me know if you have any questions.